I think with Cummins, they make it easy. Their product, they service us like we service our customers. They stand behind their brand and represent us, which in turn helps us represent their brand and our customers.
Neill Gas has been part of my family since I was born, and my great-granddad actually started the company in 1938.
We first started with Cummins in 2018. I think the first time we ordered 5 units, and then our account dealer talked us into getting 20, and it's soon found out that with Cummins behind us, their brand name and support, it has grown to over 300 units a year.
We definitely have to take care of our dealers because they are the face of the company. When Neill Gas or any of our dealers are in front of a homeowner installing a piece of equipment, we want to make sure that the dealers have been trained, know what they're doing, are courteous, and treat their customers like they should treat a customer.
When you have a Cummins product, you know they're going to stand behind it. So a big question we get from other dealers and people that sell other brands, how many warranty claims do y'all have? We tell them we have very few, and if you have a warranty claim, it's handled almost immediately.
We also have a financing program that dealers can bring product in and have it on their floor and not have to pay for it until it is basically sold. It helps them have product available. Dealers also have opportunities to offer financing to their customers using our Synchrony financing program.
Participating in the Cummins Synchrony program has directly increased our sales. We have a link on our website where you can pre-apply and get pre-approved and know before you start the process that, hey, we're ready to go. With Cummins, our values with Neill Gas and Cummins both align, and at the end of the day, even if it costs more to make something right, we'll make sure that happens.
Cummins just has the name brand that we know it's dependable and trustworthy, and it's going to do exactly what it's supposed to do.